Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're about to share internet over USB while keeping Wi-Fi active on the phone. First, connect the phone to your PC with a good USB cable. Approve the connection on the phone. Once connected, enable mobile data or hotspot on the phone so it has upstream access. Make sure USB tethering is visible in Settings, Network, and Internet. You do this first because the computer needs a live USB network interface before we change system routing to prefer USB. Next, enable USB tethering on the phone and watch for a new network adapter on your computer. On Windows, open Network Connections and set the USB adapter to a higher priority, lower metric than Wi-Fi. On Linux or Mac OS, adjust route metrics using route or IP route commands so default traffic goes out the USB interface. Once done, confirm with ipconfig or ifconfig that the default gateway is the tethered connection. This ensures your outgoing traffic uses the USB link, while Wi-Fi can remain active for local services. Finally, test internet access by loading a web page or pinging 88888. If DNS fails, set a manual DNS on the USB adapter. Make sure Wi-Fi remains enabled for local connections while default traffic flows over USB. If some applications stubbornly use Wi-Fi, configure those apps to bind to the USB interface or use policy-based routing. Troubleshooting tip: if connectivity fails, toggle USB tethering off and on, disable and re-enable the PC network adapter, and reinstall phone USB drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.